Danny's formative years in Cleveland ignited his passion for cars, deeply influenced by his father's career at Ford and a profound love for music. These experiences created a solid foundation for his future achievements. Counting Cars rapidly amassed a substantial following, showcasing Danny's exceptional automotive talents and compelling personal narratives. This captivating combination transformed him into a household name, distinguishing the show with its unique blend of artistry and drama. As Danny's visibility soared, so did the expectations and pressures linked to sustaining his success. The hurdles he encountered behind the scenes illuminated the often overlooked darker aspects of celebrity life. With the expansion of Kustoms, Danny faced increasing challenges in maintaining quality and oversight. This shift led to minor lawsuits and complaints, suggesting underlying operational difficulties as he transitioned from a hands-on approach to a more detached management style. Beneath his charismatic public image, rumors of Danny's personal struggles and addiction emerged, challenging the polished persona he had carefully curated. Fans began to reassess their views of the accomplished mechanic they had once idolized. The 2017 scandal, involving a lawsuit tied to drug-related issues, severely tarnished Danny's reputation and the credibility of Counting Cars. The aftermath forced fans and clients to reconsider their trust in his brand and business. Public response to Danny Koker's scandal was quick and harsh, illustrating how rapidly admiration can morph into outrage in today's social media landscape. Fans grappled with reconciling their image of him against the reality of the unfolding situation. The legal repercussions Danny faced, including a 30-day jail sentence, underscored the profound effects of his choices on both his personal life and career. This fallout sparked concerns regarding the viability of his business under such scrutiny. After completing his sentence, Danny Koker prioritized his commitment to sobriety and the rehabilitation of his reputation. His path to redemption involved confronting past mistakes and addressing fan skepticism. In the wake of the scandal, Kustoms confronted significant challenges, with dwindling clientele and adverse publicity severely affecting operations. Koker's focus shifted toward ensuring the survival of the business. As part of his recovery strategy, Koker opened Kustoms to the public, hosting museum tours to connect with fans and restore his image. This initiative played a crucial role in regaining trust. During Koker's most challenging times, support from his family, especially from his wife Corey, proved vital. Her steadfast encouragement helped him navigate the complex journey of redemption. Corey's leadership at Counts Vamped empowered Danny to focus on his recovery, emphasizing the significance of partnership in difficult times. Their united efforts reflected a shared vision for their future. Rumors surrounding Corey's health sparked considerable concern among fans, illustrating the impact of public speculation on personal lives. The family's resilience in facing these challenges became increasingly noteworthy. Danny Koker's quest for redemption remains a work in progress, with uncertainties clouding his future in the automotive industry. Despite the setbacks, he persistently fights for a comeback to rebuild his reputation.